our normal trail. Inside the forest there is a footpath. We normally go this way. We go to 500 meters flat area. Then we climb up 500 meters. Then go to the third waterfall. We call Degaldugo waterfall. And there is a viewpoint. Then we come back. And then we go to the Twins waterfall. Twins waterfall means two rivers come both sides, then join with the one river with the waterfall, and then the fish therapy. And then if
The
you
fish
go,
therapy.
but we can go, you can go by bike and this way, the 3 kilometer, and then we park here. If you like to get a fish therapy, we can come this way.
Короче, это то
It
же
is
самое.
easy and it will not take a long time. We can do this trail approximately 2.5 hours, and then waterfall and fish therapy. There is also interesting here. Then there is also the Samangala temple here. It's a beautiful place. Also, this is a good place to visit the bird. You know, there are the 34. The bird is endemic to Sri Lanka. And then if you come to Moli morning, you can see the Sri Lanka blue mackerel like this lot of bird. This time we can do the fish therapy and waterfall. And if you like, you can get a shower in the natural water.
Едем
Ой,
дальше.
опять наш друг, смотри.